How to fix the black screen issue on Instagram Reels. So if Instagram Reels are not loading correctly or you keep seeing a black screen, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to go and solve the issue. So the first thing we're going to do is just load up the settings on your phone, and then you'll need to scroll down to General. Select iPhone Storage. And from the list of applications, go and select Instagram. You can then press Offload App, click on Offload, and then wait a few seconds. Once it's finished offloading, press Reinstall App. You can then head back over to your iPhone home screen and just wait for the Instagram app to reinstall. Once it's finished reinstalling, go and open up Instagram and then head over to your profile page. Click on the settings bar in the top right hand side, and then you'll need to scroll down and then go and click on media quality. Make sure use less mobile data is turned off like you see here. Once you've done this, you can try opening an Instagram Reel and you can check to see if it solves the black screen issue. Now, if it's not working, the final solution is to go and open up the settings on your phone, scroll down to General, and then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now press Reset and click on Reset Network Settings. You'll then need to enter your iPhone's passcode, and you can try loading back up Instagram, and you should now be able to go and watch Instagram Reels.